Hey, want to turn everyday tasks into done in seconds moments? This is your channel. We explore the smartest AI tools online and show you how to use them like a pro.
You know that feeling when you're 3 tabs deep into research, juggling a PDF, copy-pasting between windows, and typing the same prompt for the 5th time this week? That's not a workflow. That's friction. And Tabbit was built to replace that entire process with an AI that actively understands what you're doing and works with you in real time. This is a browser that thinks alongside you. And once you use it, going back to Chrome feels like working with one hand tied behind your back. Let's start with something most people run into every single day: the copy-paste shuffle. You're reading an article, you want to ask AI something about it, so you highlight text, copy it, open a new tab, paste it, and then type out your question. Tabbit kills that entire sequence. There's a chat panel built right into the sidebar, and it already knows what's on your current page. You just type. No switching, no copying, no context lost. You can highlight a confusing paragraph and ask it to explain it in simpler terms, or ask for a counter argument, or say, summarize the key points. And it responds with full context about what you're looking at. And honestly, the moment you realize you're not switching tabs to do that anymore, you feel it. The flow just stays unbroken. Now here's where it gets interesting. Skills. Most AI tools give you one mode. Type a prompt, get a response, done. Tabbit lets you build your own reusable commands. Say you're a marketer who just finished writing an article and now needs to turn it into a LinkedIn post, a strong hook, and a few title variations. Normally, you'd go back to ChatGPT, type that whole prompt again, tweak it, and repeat the process every time. In Tabbit, you do that once. You create a skill with those exact instructions. Turn this into a LinkedIn post, generate 3 hooks and 5 title options. Now, the next time you finish an article, you just click that skill and it runs instantly on your current page. No retyping, no switching tabs. It just happens. There are 3 types: prompt skills for saving instructions, script skills for automating steps, and agent skills that can handle multi-step tasks on their own. For example, instead of manually turning an article into a LinkedIn post every time, you can run one skill that reads the page, writes the post, generates a hook, and gives you multiple title options instantly. There's also a skills market where you can grab ones built by other users. So if someone else has already built the workflow you need, you're not starting from scratch. And this is the part most people miss. Tabbit isn't just helpful when you're reading, it's helpful when you're doing. So let's say you're working on a report and you need to pull together information from 5 different sources, reformatting as you go. Tabbit's Sidebar chat can access what you're viewing, and with scripts you can automate things like scraping key data from a page, rewriting it in a specific style, and exporting it, all without leaving your browser. The context attachment feature is especially useful here. You can pin files, screenshots, or local documents directly into your chat, so the AI always has the full picture. No more, let me find that file again. It's right there. Last one. And this is for people creating content across multiple platforms. Let's say you just finished recording a YouTube video about a new AI tool. Now you need to turn that into an X thread, a YouTube short script, and a TikTok version. Normally, that's a whole workflow. You'd open ChatGPT, paste your transcript, write a prompt for each platform, tweak the tone, reformat everything, and repeat that process every single time. With Tabbit, you can turn this into a single agent skill. Here's what that actually looks like in practice. You paste your video transcript or open it in your browser, run your saved agent skill, and it automatically extracts the key ideas, rewrites them into an engaging X thread, generates a short-form script optimized for YouTube Shorts, and creates a punchy TikTok version with a stronger hook, all in one flow without switching tabs. And the key part, once you've set this up the way you like, you save it. So the next time you finish a video, it's literally one click to generate everything. Write once, adapt everywhere, but now it's actually automated, not manual. Tabbit basically gives you an AI copilot that works inside your browser with your context, your workflows, and your shortcuts built in. And right now, they're offering limited time free access to top-tier models like Claude, GPT 5.5, and more. So this is honestly the best time to try it. Hit the download link below, install Tabbit, and test it for yourself. If you do, let me know what you think in the comments, and subscribe for more AI tools like this.